Picture this. You're on the highway, your dream car starts smoking, and the mechanic just quoted you $3,000. Total nightmare, right? But what if you could buy a car for $5,000 that literally refuses to die? We're talking 300,000 miles with nothing but oil changes. Today, we're counting down 8 cheap cars that are essentially indestructible. And stick around because number 1 is the single most bulletproof vehicle ever manufactured. Let's dive in. Number 8, 2012 Hyundai Elantra. This car just won't die. And for $5,000, it's basically stealing from the dealership. Back in 2012, Hyundai was on a mission to prove they could outbuild the Japanese giants, and the Elantra was their secret weapon. While other manufacturers were moving toward complicated turbochargers and fragile transmissions, Hyundai kept it simple. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter new engine. It's not going to win you any drag races, but it will get you to work every single morning for the next decade. Why is it so reliable? Because it's built on a foundation of simplicity. There are no fancy gadgets under the hood that are destined to fail the moment the warranty expires. We've seen these cars in the real world hitting 200,000, 250,000, and even 300,000 miles on original engines and transmissions. In fact, one famous owner in Quebec hit 1,000,000 kilometers in hers. Think about that. You could buy this car for the price of a used jet ski, and it might outlive your house. The maintenance cost is the real kicker. Maintaining an Elantra costs less than a gym membership. Parts are everywhere, and they're dirt cheap. If a mirror breaks, it's $50. If you need a tune-up, your local mechanic can do it with his eyes closed. Would you trust a $5,000 Hyundai to take you across the country? You absolutely should. But as good as this Hyundai is, it's just the beginning. If you want something with a bit more American muscle that's secretly a reliability king, you need to see number 7. Number 7, 2013 Ford Fusion 2.5L engine. This car is the ultimate sleeper of reliability. Most people think American cars are destined for the scrap heap at 100,000 miles, but the 2013 Ford Fusion with the 2.5-liter Duratec engine is the exception that proves the rule. Here is the secret. Ford also offered a bunch of EcoBoost engines for this car that were, let's just say, temperamental. But the base 2.5-liter, that engine is a tank. It's a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder that Ford shared with Mazda, and it is arguably one of the best engines of the last 20 years. It doesn't have a turbocharger to blow up, and it doesn't run under extreme stress. It just works. You'll see these Fusions everywhere in government fleets and as high-mileage delivery vehicles. Why? Because fleet managers hate spending money on repairs. They know that if you change the oil every 5,000 miles, this car will easily cruise past 250,000 miles without a hiccup. The interior is surprisingly modern for a car that costs $6,000 too. You get a comfortable ride, decent tech, and the peace of mind that you aren't driving a ticking time bomb. It's a car that costs less than an iPhone per year to maintain. If you're looking for a professional-looking sedan that won't leave you stranded in a rainstorm, this is it. But what if you need more space? What if you want an SUV that has the heart of a marathon runner? Well, number 6 is a legend for a reason. Number 6, 2010 Honda CR-V. This is the SUV that simply refuses to go to the junkyard. The 2010 Honda CR-V is the peak of Honda's golden era of engineering. It's not the fastest SUV, and it's certainly not the flashiest, but it is a mechanical masterpiece of durability. The secret sauce here is the K24 engine. Ask any mechanic about the Honda K series, and they'll probably start crying tears of joy. It's a 2.4-liter engine that is famous for its timing chain, not a belt, which means you don't have to worry about a rubber strap snapping and destroying your engine. These things are built like jewelry, but run like tractors. Go to any used car site and search for CR Versus with over 200,000 miles. You'll find thousands of them. Some are even pushing 400,000. These are the cars you see in school carpool lines and grocery store parking lots, looking a bit faded but running perfectly. They are the ultimate buy-it-and-forget-it vehicle. The maintenance? It's almost non-existent. Aside from tires, brakes, and oil, these cars rarely need major work. It's the kind of car you could give to a teenager as their first vehicle and expect them to drive it through college and into their first job. Now, $7,500 might seem high for a 2010, but you aren't just buying a car, you're buying an insurance policy against stress. But hold on, what if I told you that for even less money, you could get a car that is basically the gold standard for the entire automotive industry? Let's talk about number 5. Number 5, 2014 Toyota Corolla. You knew a Corolla was coming, didn't you? But specifically, the 2014 model is the sweet spot. It's the year Toyota updated the styling to look sharper and more modern, but they didn't mess with the bulletproof formula underneath. This car is the equivalent of a refrigerator. You don't think about your fridge, you just expect it to be cold when you open it. The 2014 Corolla is the same. You turn the key, it starts. Every single time. Whether it's negative 20 degrees in Minnesota or 110 in Arizona, the Corolla does not care. The 1.8-liter engine in this car is a refined version of an engine Toyota has been perfecting for decades. There are no new car bugs here. Every part has been tested millions of miles. That's why you see these used as taxis in some of the harshest environments on Earth. In some parts of the world, a Corolla with 200,000 miles is considered just broken in. Think about the math. You buy this for $7,000. You drive it for 5 years. You put almost $0 into repairs. Then, you sell it for $5,000 because Corollas hold their value like gold bars. It's basically free transportation. Does it spark joy when you hit the gas? No. But does it spark joy when you look at your bank account and see all that money you didn't spend at the mechanic? Absolutely. But maybe you want something a bit more expensive feeling? What if you want the reliability of a Toyota but the interior of a private jet? You need to see number 4. Number 4, 2011 Lexus ES 350. Welcome to the luxury cheat code. The 2011 Lexus ES 350 is essentially a Toyota Camry that went to finishing school. It's got the leather, the wood trim, the quiet cabin, and the premium sound system. But underneath that fancy suit, it's all Toyota. This car uses the 3.5-liter V6 engine, the 2GR FE for the nerds out there. This engine is legendary. It's the same power plant Toyota used in the Avalon, the RAV4, and even the Sienna minivan. It is smooth, powerful, and utterly reliable. While BMW and Mercedes owners from 2011 are currently spending thousands to fix oil leaks and sensor failures, the Lexus ES 350 owner is just driving. Owners of these cars often report hitting 300,000 miles with nothing but routine service. It's a million-mile engine design. Plus, because it's a Lexus, the build quality is on another level. The buttons don't peel, the seats don't tear easily, and the paint stays shiny for decades. You're getting a car that looks like it belongs at a country club for a price that belongs at a budget used car lot. It's the smartest way to look rich while staying frugal. If you want a car that makes you feel like a CEO but has the maintenance costs of a lawnmower, this is your winner. But let's get back to the basics. If you want a sedan that is slightly larger than a Corolla but just as legendary, number 3 is the answer. Number 3, 2013 Honda Accord 2.4L. If the Corolla is a refrigerator, the 2013 Honda Accord is a high-end Swiss watch. It's precise, it's beautifully engineered, and it will keep ticking forever. The 2013 model was a huge year for the Accord. It introduced the Earth Dreams 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Now, usually, when a car company introduces a new engine technology, there are some growing pains. Not Honda. They knocked it out of the park. This engine is the perfect balance of fuel economy and don't ever break down ability. The 2013 Accord is the car for people who actually enjoy driving but hate car troubles. It handles well, it has a huge trunk, and the visibility is fantastic. But the real proof is in the used market. You will find 2013 Accords with 250,000 miles that still feel tight. No rattles, no squeaks, no check engine, lights glowing like a Christmas tree. The maintenance cost? Peanuts. Honda parts are so common that you can find them at any local auto parts store for next to nothing. Would you trust this car to take you across the country with 200,000 miles on the clock? Most mechanics would say yes, without even thinking about it. We're getting close to the top spot. But before we get to the most indestructible car ever built, we have to talk about the undisputed heavyweight champion of the midsize sedan world. Number 2, 2012 Toyota Camry. The 2012 Toyota Camry is not just a car. It is a tool. It's a mechanical device designed to transport humans from point A to point B with the absolute minimum amount of drama possible. Why is it number 2? Because the 2012 Camry is the car that Uber and Lyft drivers swear by. These guys drive 12 hours a day in stop-and-go traffic, the hardest possible conditions for a car. And yet, the Camry eats it up. It's common to see these in taxi fleets with 400,000 or even 500,000 miles on the original transmission. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine in the 2012 model is perhaps the most reliable four-cylinder engine ever made by Toyota. It doesn't have the oil consumption issues of the older models, and it doesn't have the complexity of the newer hybrids. It is the Goldilocks of engines. When you buy a 2012 Camry, you are exiting the car repair ecosystem. You will no longer know your mechanic's first name. You will no longer worry when you hear a tiny noise, because there usually are no noises. It's the ultimate stress reliever. But even the mighty Camry has to bow down to one car. There is one vehicle that stands above all others as the king of reliability. A car so simple, so over-engineered, and so tough that it has become a global meme for being unkillable. Are you ready? Let's look at number 1. Number 1. 2010 Toyota Corolla. Here it is. The 2010 Toyota Corolla. This is quite literally the most indestructible car ever built for the civilian market. Why the 2010 specifically? Because it represents the peak of simplicity engineering. By 2010, Toyota had perfected the 1.8-liter 1ZZ and 2ZR engine designs. They were using a traditional 4-speed automatic transmission that was so overbuilt it could probably survive a nuclear blast. There were no CVTs, no direct injection, no turbochargers, and no complicated infotainment screens to glitch out. This car is a cockroach. You can neglect it, you can drive it through a desert, you can leave it sitting for months, and it will still start on the first crank. We have seen 2010 Corollas hit 300,000 miles with nothing but oil, tires, and one set of spark plugs. That is not an exaggeration. For $6,000, you aren't just getting a cheap car. You are getting the most reliable piece of machinery you will ever own. It is the ultimate financial hack. While your neighbors are making $600 a month car payments on SUVs that will be in the shop in 3 years, you're driving the 2010 Corolla, laughing all the way to the bank. It's not just a car. It's a statement that you're too smart to waste money on unreliable junk. It is the undisputed king of the road. These 8 cars prove you don't need a huge budget to have total peace of mind. Which one of these would you trust for 300,000 miles? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drive smart.